Customize hats for your business, promotion, team, event, school, organization, etc. From foremost hat. It is quite easy to add your logo or pattern to the hat. Just upload your logo and our custom service team will take care of everything. You can get a sample or markup before bulk order. Custom embroidered and decorated hats has never been so easy. Embroidery logo, hat logo, and print logo acceptable. Choose the decoration method that suits your hat best to create the hat that suits your style. With our advanced embroidery machine and professional handcraft, every hat is a boutique, making your brand more recognizable. Usually, it takes 7 to 15 days for production. Get started.